Okay, good day friends. And today we have a power supply unboxing video. Okay, actually we'll be doing 3 videos. First one will be the unboxing video. Yung pangalawa will be the installation and testing video. And the third one would be yung we're gonna open up yung itong ina-unbox natin today, which is a Seasonic power supply. And thanks very much to Helix Technologies, pretty much Seasonic Philippines, no, for giving us itong unit na to for review. It's a Seasonic Core GX 650 watts, no. It's a true rated 650 watts power supply. It's an 80 plus gold rated power supply. Okay, and there's a lot of information. I'll be posting this information sa video via sa screen. You'll get to see the screen. We'll just put it up, no. Okay, anyways, without further ado, let's open it up, no. And here we go. Konti lang, huwag natin masyadong habaan. Okay, let's go. Ooh, tricky box. Okay. Okay, so when you get this unit, pag bumili po kayo ng Seasonic na power supply, it'll come, you'll know it's brand new kasi it's sealed, no? Sealed in plastic. But expect soon that from the retailer magkakaroon na ng distributor sticker or seal, no? You'll see later on they're gonna put the distributor seals para alam nyo na legit siya naggaling sa dealer, no? Okay, now let's open it up. Challenging. Okay, so it's tougher than I thought opening it up. Okay, there we go. Okay, so here we are. We've got it open. What do you got? No, you have a card, no? Surprise, surprise. Meron kayong makukuhang offer from Seasonic. Okay. Then you've got what? You've got your strips, zip ties, no? Yung Velcro strips for the cables. And then meron kang mounting screws, no? You'll see here there's mounting screws. Okay, it's very nice. Ilapit natin ng konti, no, para makita yung siya na. So you have mounting screws. Okay, you have Velcro ties, no? And zip ties as well, no? Para sa inyong during installation. Okay, you also have your power cable. Okay, take note, may grounding prong yan, no? So ganyan po dapat, no? This is for safety. Okay, cables, power cables usually come with grounding prongs. Okay, and I'm not gonna go into all these cables. There's just too many. Okay, ito po yung, this power supply is a modular power supply. So it comes with a whole set of cables. You'll see for the main power harness and all the other connectors for your hard drives, your graphics cards, etc. Okay, so open this up later. And here we go, bit of support. Inside the box, yung mismong power supply, no, meron ding styro sa support sa ilalim. And there's nothing left inside the box. Here we go. We'll put this aside. And voila! Ito na ang ating very beautiful friend, no? Let's take a look at our GX 650. And wow, no? Ang pogi, no? You have the Seasonic marks, no? Okay, there you go. Seasonic. Yung fan grill niya is punched out, no? Hindi siya yung old Seasonics, no? Pati yung mga S12 noon. they would use yung fan grill na removable. But this is punched out, no? So, yan na talaga, and you'll know, no? Hindi yan fake, no? May Seasonic stamping pa talaga, it's complete. Okay. Now, in the old days, no, yung power supply nasa gilid nakalagay yung information nung power, etc. But this one, it has it at the bottom, no? Makikita niyo siya, no? You might be wondering bakit nandyan na nakalagay yung marking niya, because this power supply is designed to be bottom mounted, no? It's designed to be bottom mounted. Hindi po siya yung mga luma kasi they're top mounted, that's why nasa side yung information, no? But now power supplies these days, no, they're well, like this one, no, they're designed to be mounted at the bottom. Kaya yung makikita nyo yung markings, yung information nandito sa iba pa. We'll take a photo of this and then we'll upload it din para makita nyo kung ano yung information na nakikita natin dito, no, dito about this power supply. Okay. Now, before anything else, no, before we finish the unboxing review, ayan, no, ito na yung gustong malaman nung ibang tao dyan, no, ano ba yung cables na kasama niya. So let's open it up. Before we finish this up, let's open this. You have your main power harness, no? So 24 pin, tapos meron ka pa yung para sa auxiliary sa PCIe na PCI na bagong standard, no? And yung 8 pin. Okay. Then voila, everybody's favorite graphics card cables, 8 pin. Another 8 pin. And another 8 pin. Okay. Ito yung isa sa mga bagong auxiliary cables, no? As you can see, it's rated. It's a 600 watt rated na cable. It's for those new devices ngayon, no? Old devices wala, hindi pa gumagamit ito, but the new ones, the new graphics cards in particular, no, meron pong gumagamit ito. SATA cables, more SATA cables with 6 pins, no, and the obligatory Molex cables. Although very few devices nowadays use Molex, but particularly mga case fans, no, they're using Molex cables. So this is pretty much what you get when you buy this unit, no, Seasonic GX650. Okay. So it's nice. This is the full package when you get it retail. Okay. And in the next video, we'll be installing this one sa computer, and then we're gonna test it. Maybe run some games, and then we'll see. And hopefully later on we'll do some readings. No. But beyond that, we hope you like this video and look forward to the next one. Okay. We will see you on the next one, friends. Thank you.